Stewie. Stewie, hi, Daddy. I love you. Hi, Mommy. Hi, Mommy. Hi, Daddy. What a handsome boy. Handsome boy. You love your babies. Come, Mommy went inside. I'll show you. تعالوا أوريكم ماما وبابا. Knock, knock. Can I open? افتح يا سمسم. Peekaboo. What a handsome girl. Does she look like a budgie? هل هاي budgie لكم؟ كأنها شو اسمه؟ أسد. She looks like an eagle. تشبه صقر نسر. خلقتها شوف. ليش الأمهات تخبل? Why mother are so beautiful and they defend their kids so much? Look at that beauty here. Look, look. Look. Here we go. Look at that beauty. She wouldn't even let me come near them. Hello, I love you. Hi, Mama Kumu. Mama Kumu, you're the best mama. Look, look. If I come, she'll try to. Defensive mode. Defensive mode. Kumu. I love you. Kumu, I love you. Don't hurt me. I'm so scared. Man, when she bites, she bites. Yalla, bas, I'll leave you. I don't want to distress you more. Bye-bye, Mommy. Although I can't resist. سامعين كل ممنوع مرغوب. كل ممنوع مرغوب. أنا وكيحة. يعني لازم أتحرج بيها. I love you, Kumu. You are my heart. Yeah, sleep tight, sleep tight. I love you, Dad. Oh, you're the best daddy in the universe. I love you, Baba. I love you, handsome boy. You're a handsome boy. I love you. Bye-bye, Mama. Bye-bye, Papa. Bye, Mama, Daddy. Bye, family. So, this is the nest box, and I put the monkeys outside here. So, it's raining outside, as you can see. So this is beautiful fig tree here. Teen, feijoa, and rumman there. Pomegranate in the end. Anyway, so Oreo is the beautiful blue there. Cinnamon roll is next to him. And the loner, I think he got autism. هذا توحد بدايما وحده. Candy floss. And some sparrows, عصافير separate. عصبك سمع. ليش عصبي? I didn't even come near you. So you, don't be angry at me. I didn't come near you. Look at her. She's not a bird. She's an eagle. I mean, she's not a budgie. Are you an eagle? Because she protects her babies. I love mothers. Mothers, they love their babies so much. I know. You're so beautiful and I love you. God bless them and God bless you, Mommy. Bye-bye. I love you. Ciao, ciao. Ciao, ciao. Say bye, Hoggy. Bye, the star of the show, my baby boy. I love you very, very much. I love you very much. Look at him, look at him. Yo, laser eyes. Come. Hey, laser eyes. Say hi. Say, Mama love me so much that she always does this to me. Why? Why? You see his teeth? Aren't they cool? Huh? You can't come near me, guys. Because this won't allow it. He's gorgeous. I say, see ya. Yalla. Go inside. He listens to me. Go inside. Bye-bye. Bye. 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 With laser eyes. Bye. Good. I love their eyes. They are fluorescent. What a beauty. Bye-bye.